Hey, how's it going, guys? My name's Eben. I'm your independent AMSOIL dealer, and today we're going to be doing a brake fluid flush on a 2011 Honda Accord Special Edition. And you want to do this every basically 3 to 5 years, depending on how much you drive and if you do a lot of city or highway driving. It's always important. And what this is our preferred customer membership. And today, one of you, when you guys like, share, and subscribe, and leave a comment in the comment section below, one of you guys will be getting a 6-month preferred customer membership. And you say, well, what is that? Well, every quarter, we send out a preferred customer magazine, and this gives lots of insightful info on different products, motor oil, differential gear oil, radiator fluid. And what this is, it's a membership. You get up to 25% off all the products in here, and you get complimentary shipping over $100, so you don't have to pay for shipping. And then you also get other stuff where we also select random people where we give out different AMSOIL memorabilia and different things like that, hats, shirts. So a lot of great things about AMSOIL, and also it's all American. And they have a great customer service hotline. When you call the 1-800 number, it's so easy to order. That's the best thing about AMSOIL. So, well, let's get started. All right, I wanted to brush over the products we're using. We're using AMSOIL .3.4 synthetic brake fluid, and this has a much higher boiling point than other brake fluids. So that gives you the ability to handle more heat. You can also go longer between brake fluid changes. But let's quick go over what we're doing. We're going to start in the back corner, the furthest away from the brake reservoir. And you start furthest out and you get the closest to the reservoir. So we're going to start at the right rear, then the back other rear, then we go to the right front, and then the left front will be the last wheel we do. And this is a two-man job. Let's get started. All right, first thing we do is suck out all this old fluid. So I'm going to pull out this little safety screen. Most cars have it. Throw that there, and you just suck it out with any old pump. And this fluid was probably changed about 30,000 miles ago, so it shouldn't be that bad. It's not terrible, but definitely worth doing early, because extra due diligence is always better. All right, I'm sucking out all the fluid here. I'm just prettying everything up, just wiping it down a little bit, getting all the extra residue out. Not going to be perfect. And now all we do is go ahead and feel her up with some fresh fluid. We got it right here. Crack open a nice fresh bottle, .3.4. Boom. Just fill her all the way up. All right. Time to bleed them. All right. We're going to go ahead and spray this little nipple here with a little bit of MP, an MP metal protectant. This right here is our little nipple. That's where we're going to bleed it from. That's our bleeder screw. An MP metal protectant. This protects metal, and it's also like a rust breaker. So what it does is it's a penetrating oil, and it's very similar to PB Blaster, but it's a whole lot better. And just amazing the way it saturates. So I definitely recommend this. Let's bleed them up. Let's do it. Go. All right, go ahead and press. Pushing. All right, you can let go. Okay. Go ahead and press. Pressing. Keep pushing. All right, it's closed. Go ahead and let go. Okay. So what he's doing is when he pushes the pedal down, we're pushing all the old fluid out. And then when I open it, that allows the pressure to be released and all the old fluid comes out. Then I close the valve, and then he lets the pedal back up. And you just always want to be careful you don't get any air in there. So go ahead and push. Pushing. All right, let go. Okay. Go ahead and push. So you can see the brake fluid's pretty clear already. So we're pretty much done. All right, now we're going ahead. We're using our HD metal protectant. It's very comparable to our regular metal protector, but this one's a whole lot thicker. And what it does is it puts a real film on rust and any type of metal that can get corroded, where there's salt hitting it, water, anything. So oftentimes on a lot of hubs, rotors, all that, they all get corroded. So what do? Just put a film on it. Here we go. Boom. That's it. Also, one more thing for extra due diligence. Always make sure, as you're pumping the brakes down, just make sure you have plenty of fluid in there. Just an extra safety precaution. All right. All wrapped up. We're going to go ahead and top her off for the last time and put our little safety screen in. This little guy drops right in, just like so, and that's it. Plop this little guy on top, and that's it. Everything we use is basic hand tools, regular old sockets for taking the wheels off. This is our 10 mil wrench that we use for the bleeder screw. Nothing special, it's just great to have an extra person help you. If you guys have any questions at all on any of this stuff, feel free to reach out to me. Ask any questions in the comment below. Hope you guys really enjoyed this, and I'm Eben, your independent AMSOIL dealer. I save people time and money on all different equipment, cars, trucks, SUVs, anything. All right, we'll see you guys later. Oh, hey, how's it going, guys? I almost forgot. Well, I'm cleaning this badge of honor here, but I wanted to recap. One of you guys that likes, shares, subscribes, and leaves a comment in below, the best comment, you will be getting a 6-month preferred customer membership. All you have to do is reach out to me. I'll select the lucky person, and you're going to be getting the opportunity to get all these products up to 25% off, comp shipping. You also get your quarterly AMSOIL magazine, and I tell you what, your car will really thank you. We'll see you guys next time. And one more exciting thing to mention, we're just wrapping up our video with our 20,000 mile Uber Lyft field study. That's right, a 20,000 mile oil change on this car right here. 2011 Honda Accord, 2.4 liter. We did it with AMSOIL Signature Series motor oil, which outperforms Mobil 1 extended performance by 4 times in industry standard turbocharger deposit testing. Basically, you put this AMSOIL in your car and you drive it super far. So that's what we're going to be doing. So stay tuned. The results should be back very shortly. All right? Be sure to like, share, subscribe so you guys can get that video when it comes out. Thanks, guys.